What's going on? Today's video is going to be about this jump starter power bank. I'm taking a trip very soon cross country from the East Coast all the way down to the West Coast, so I figured we needed some type of jump starter, you know, just to be extra safe. And it just happened that I went to Amazon and I found this one. It had 1,058 reviews. Out of that, it has 4.5 stars, so I figure I'd give it a chance. Alright, this model is GP37 Plus. The maker is Gooloo, I believe. It says enrich your driving life, and it's apparently super safe. So let's get right into it. Alright, comes in a very nice case for storage purposes. Alright, comes with a little manual, different languages, some warnings, some happy with your purchase free gift, I believe, and you know, requesting for you to give it some reviews. Might do that once I get back from the trip. All right, comes with the with a jumper for the batteries. All right. Comes with your power bank. You got your output, you got your input. You have an output of 5 volts. I guess that's a smart quick charge. Comes with a flashlight as well. Alright. It shows you how much power it has. It can't pre-charge, but it does say to fully charge before you first use. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this. Let's see. You can charge it with your cigarette port in your vehicle, as well as your regular wall power on your house. Comes with a USB cord as well, and that's pretty much it. That's everything that it comes with. The price on Amazon, it's actually it's $89.99, but right now they're having a sale for $69.99. Now it's a pretty good deal, and I figure I'd give it a try. So if once I'm on my actual trip, I will let you know if I ever even get to use it. If not, I will do a future video trying to see if I can actually use it and give a better review. I really appreciate your time. I will let you know what happens, and stay tuned. I might do some videos while I'm on the road, purchasing some things, making some reviews, some videos for while I'm on the road from the East Coast to the West Coast. Please subscribe, and you know, I'm only trying to get better at this. So see you later.